welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I know, I've not done one of these in such a long time, so I'm really excited about it. I actually really love the way that it came out. I'm not used to wearing this much makeup and I'm like, girl, where have you been? You know, just kind of feeling myself. Thanks Desi and Katy, girl, for the collaboration that you guys did with Dose because you did it again. I am actually so proud of seeing these collaborations with other YouTubers. I think the next one I'm going to be doing is with the Melissa Michelle palette. So if you guys would like to see that and support my girl, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure to get to that as soon as possible. I know I've been off of YouTube for maybe about 2, 3, almost a month. I know it's been a long time, but I've been going through it, girl. But I'm back and the Lord is with me. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Now if you're new, you're probably like, this girl is a hot mess, but I love her. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you have not already joined my family, and let's get started. So when I went to Ulta, I was not expecting to get any of this stuff. I think my girlfriend Bridget was going to get her foundation and concealer, and I just so happened to be nosy. I ran across this collection and I got a few things. So I'm gonna go ahead and share those with you guys now. And the first thing I'm gonna show you is their Friendcation Palette. The packaging is always so gorgeous. The packaging itself is really nice, but then the actual casing of the palette is very luxe. Kind of reminds me of something you would see during holidays. It was perfect timing. I'm just gonna swatch a few of them. Okay, obviously super pigmented, super rich in color. Also, I was fortunate to snag one of their highlighters, and this one in particular is called Chasing the Sun. This one is actually one of 2 highlighters that is in the collection. The other one, maybe 3, I'm not sure, but this is the only one that I had available, so I snagged it. And this one in particular is vegan, cruelty, talc-free, gluten-free. I know it's gluten-free, but I'm not sure why you're eating it. I mean, does gluten affect your face? I don't know. Someone educate me in the comments. I don't know. Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. It's all over my face. Look at this, blinding. And then I also picked up their lipstick, and this is called Hey Girl. I absolutely love the packaging of this lipstick. It's matte nude with rose gold touch to it as well. The color is beautiful and I just absolutely love this lipstick. It's really, really rich. The formula is amazing, and I'm gonna show you guys how I put it all together in just a moment, so hopefully you guys are still interested in that. So without further ado, let's get into the makeup tutorial. Okay, that's enough. You're gonna get me a copyright. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into this look. Now I have all of my products all over my face. So I've got my foundation, I've got my primer, concealer, blush, contour, even some highlight already. The one that I got from this collaboration actually is a little bit more on the dark bronzier side than I'm used to, so I'm just gonna add to what I already have on. So this is kind of like my everyday base when I go all out with my eyeshadow, because you know my everyday look is like no makeup at all. I'm trying to keep this not as crazy as possible, but if you guys would like to see another video using the more gaudy eyeshadows, let me know because I'll definitely do that. But today I'm going to try to keep it pretty calm and neutral, not too crazy. Watch, I go with the green. I'm going to go in with Necessary, and I'm just going to go ahead and take that into the crease. So as I am getting older, dare I say that word, my eyelids are starting to kind of sag a little bit, so it's going over my lid. And if you guys have watched any of my previous videos from a million years ago, I was tighter than tight, girl, so all of this was back into time. So I just have to go work with what I got because I'm scared of needles. This is pretty much going to be my transition color. I am going to make my eyeshadow a little darker than usual because, you know, I want to spice things up for fall. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eyeball because it's necessary. See what I did there? You know it's not necessary? My dog is snoring in the background. I don't know if you can hear him, but he's old. He's like 70 years old in human years, and I just have to respect my elders and let him snore. Beast! I'm so disrespectful. He did not care. I literally called his name I can hear him rustling around in his bed, but then he went right back into snoring, like, rude. Next, I'm going to take a flatter brush and I'm going to pack on a shade called Churro. I'm going to go ahead and just pack this onto my lid and then blend it into my crease. I mean, that's only one dip into the pan. Look how pigmented that is. And I'm telling you guys, there's almost no fallout, which I'm really happy about because I was super scared. They're super pigmented, hardly any fallout in these matte shades. Now the real test is going to be these glittery, kind of chunkier ones. Now I look like I got socked in both my eyes, so I'm going to blend this out. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with a tighter brush and use the shade Chins? I don't know what that means. Give it a little tap. When I load it up, I have to give it a little tap because there is like some fallout on the brush, but definitely not when I hit my face. It's gone. The product is really intense. Okay, so now that I've got my eyelashes on, I feel like a complete person. I'm going to be using Hey Girl, and this is one of many shades that they have in their collection, but I knew that this was something that I would definitely love and use. It's a really nice neutral peach color, and I just feel like it's going to complement so many different skin tones, so I'm going to go ahead and just pop this on. My lips were so crusty before I applied that, and now my lips feel so moisturized, so I'm really impressed with the formula. Next, and finally, to finish off this look, I'm gonna go ahead and wear a little bit of this Chasing the Sun highlighter, and like I said, this is a darker one of the two that they sold, but this is the only one that I was able to snag, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a stippling brush and kind of just stipple it here on the high points of my face, maybe a little bit there and on my chin. This one actually crumbles a little bit. As you guys can see, I just barely touched it and I'm gonna make a mess. Whoa. Oh my God. That is freaking gorgeous. Oh yes. Okie doke. Oh my God. I'm a disco ball. It's going there. Oh. It's amazing. So pretty. Okay, girls. You nailed it. Killed it. Crushed it. I absolutely love it. Now, I really want to put like some mascara on my lower lashes, but I feel like I'm going to kill it. And if I do it, every time that I do that, I kind of like regret it and you can't take it back, you know? I kind of puff up my messy hair already. And I'm ready to go pick up my son from school. I ain't got nothing to do. But that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I really need to start doing more makeup and wearing more makeup because I just have not. I have been on a really like health conscious journey for myself, like just being aware of my body and what I'm eating and things like that. And as I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've been losing weight. I've actually lost about 20 pounds, over 20 pounds since July. And I cannot wait to share like everything with you guys. I'm just like really learning about it. So yeah, I can't wait to share that with you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.